What's going on, everyone? So today we are going to be installing some Recon taillights. They're going to go on the Ram, of course. We're going to replace the stock taillights. So you can see these taillights are the LED ones, but I got a crack on this side. I don't know if you can see it there. Kind of hard to tell, but it's cracked. So I decided it was time to replace them, given the fact that it's cracked and this tint job that I did with the film is not the best. So I got a pretty good deal on Recon with them. I think these lights are normally about $600, but I gave them a call, see what kind of discount they could hook me up with, and I was actually able to get them for a cheaper deal. So I actually got them through Recon themselves, and they shipped them out on, I believe it was Thursday, and got them Tuesday. So not too bad on shipping. Their shipping's actually pretty fast. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and do the unboxing and just kind of give you guys an idea of what these look like. I looked everywhere on YouTube to see if I could find these lights before I even ordered them, and I could not find really anybody out there that had any. So I thought, why not? Why the hell not? Let's go ahead and do a video on it in case anybody else is interested in these lights. So first off, I'm using a new lens here. I actually ordered one of these. I don't know how you pronounce it, and it's a Leia camera lens. It's a wide angle lens for an iPhone. Yeah, I'm still recording with an iPhone. I haven't got to the fancy camera yet, but I thought I'd give this a try and see how this works. So hopefully you guys get a better view of the install here, and yeah. So let's go ahead and get to the unboxing here. I already opened these up just to kind of take a look to see what we've got before I even showed you guys. But let's go ahead and open these guys up and show you what we're working with. So the packaging seems to be pretty good. You know, they've got that styrofoam, and then they've got some clear plastic as well here. So let me go ahead and get this one out of the way. And I'll show you guys what these look like. So once again, these are the Recon scanning LED smoked taillights. So you can get a better view there. So that's the light itself. You can see they've got a LED here, and it looks like this might be a reflector. So when these are blinking, pretty much they scan up and down from the top to the bottom. And I'll show you guys that when I install them, but that's basically what those lights look like. And then to show you guys the back, there's the back of it. So it looks like it's only got one connector. And then down at the bottom you've got the one for the reverse light. So you just pop this out and put the reverse light in there. One thing I noticed right off the bat is this guy right here. Looks like it's wires going into it, and if you can see those openings, see if I can get you some better light in here. Kind of looks like they might be exposed, so I don't know if that's going to be a problem with water getting in there. Hopefully it's not, because I know in the wheel wells there's still some water that kind of gets kicked up on there, so hopefully that won't be an issue, but we'll find out. Right off the top also, that one thing that I wanted to mention, when I first opened these up, I noticed there's like some sort of indentation on the edge of these. You can see there also. And that to me just seems like bad quality control on that. The other side doesn't seem to have it as bad. Actually, I lied. Here we go. They've got that right there. So hopefully you're not able to see it when it's installed, but we'll find out, see what that looks like. I'm not gonna make a big deal about it right now, but if it bothers me, since I'm pretty particular about my stuff, especially with how much these cost, I might just have to warranty them out. And that's one other thing too, I could not find on Recon's website how long of a warranty they have. I'm hoping they have at least a few years of a warranty given their pricing, you know, compared to other models. So we'll see about that. But yeah, let's go ahead and get the light removed. I'll show you guys once again what we're going to be taking off. And show you guys what they look like here after they're installed. Alright, so just to quickly show you guys in comparison to the wiring that you have, here's your main wire. That's really the only one there. And then when you look at the stock one here, you've got the reverse light bulb down at the bottom. And then this guy where the main plug plugs in, and then your LED that goes in there. So everything else is the same. You've got those two little clips and then the screw holes. But yeah. And here's it's pretty much looking at them back to back. Pretty much the same thing. Alright, let me get the reverse light swapped out. And then, yeah, I'm kind of curious actually how that reverse light is going to work, because I don't know if that's hardwired in there or what. So, I guess we'll find out. Alright guys, so just to show you guys what I had to do real quick, I actually had to take this whole harness that was over here, I had to remove it from this little clip there. And then I took off the bottom one, and then that one, and then I had to move it over here. So basically, this is gonna plug in to that, and then this will plug into the truck, and this will just kind of hang there and get installed. So yeah, that's basically how it goes. You got to remove that harness over that one, and then it's easy as that. Alright, so there's the first light installed. You guys a Good view of it there. So fitment seems to be pretty good. I don't see really any gaps or anything like that. Those parts that I were talking about, can't really notice them. They're kind of hidden inside the crevice there. I think you gotta really look at them to be able to see them, but overall, it's okay. I'm not gonna complain about it, I don't think. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut this and show you guys what it looks like compared to the stock one. So there's that one. There's the stock one. Go ahead and put it in the back here. Guess I should have started with the other side so you guys can get a better view, but you can really see the reverse light in that one. And actually what's kind of cool about these, see if you can tell, but there's like an opening at the very top of the light there so that you can fit the longer LEDs. So we'll see how that works out. Alright, so there's the light turned on now. I actually really like how they look lit up. Definitely gives it a different look compared to the stock ones. Oop. See if we can get this to light up again here. Does it unlock? Lock. Go ahead and put on the blinker here. I don't know if that's gonna work, but let's give this another shot here. Put our emergency lights on instead. There we go. All right, so there's the scanning. They're pretty cool so far. Seem a little bit dimmer than the stock ones. They are both tinted, so not sure that's going to be much of a comparison, but anyhow, I'll go ahead and turn on the truck and see what they look like with it on. Let go. All right, so I've got the second tail light in. Now you can get a better angle of what that looks like. Since we couldn't do it over there since the wall's in the way, but as you can see, pretty good fit. Easy to install. Just swap over the harness and then everything goes back together just like it came out. So overall, I'm pretty happy with them. Let me go ahead and show you guys what that looks like with the lights on. So let's go ahead and turn this on. guys have it. Definitely do like that look a lot better than the stock one. So here's a view from the back. I think this angle right here definitely makes it look really good. So let's go ahead and turn on the hazards one more time. And there we go. I'd say definitely an upgrade from stock. So anyhow, if you guys liked this video, please go ahead and like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. But yeah, I'll catch you guys up on the next one. What's going on, guys? So I wanted to do a quick update here on these Recon LED tail lights. I washed the truck yesterday, and as you can see, I'm already getting a bunch of condensation from these. I haven't even had these on for a couple weeks, and they're already giving me problems. So guess we'll see what Recon's gonna do. So that last clip that I had about the Recon lights building up condensation in them. So Recon actually sent me a whole new set of lights. So yeah, they sent me 2 new sets of lights, which honestly, they really had no questions to ask. I sent them the pictures, told them what was going on, and the guy I spoke to was like, yeah, I'll go ahead and send you out some new ones. So I got some new ones in now. I'm gonna throw those in, and hopefully I don't have the same problem, but you know, definitely A+ for Recon for doing that for me. Really appreciate that. But yeah, anyway guys, thank you guys for watching the video. If you guys like this video, please go ahead and hit the like button. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. And please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, see you on the next one. Peace.